Hi, my name is Russ. I'm the Director of Education for the Chimney Safety Institute of America and the National Chimney Sweep Guild. A question we frequently hear is, if I utilize a chimney sweeping log, do I still need to get chimney sweep out to sweep my chimney? And the answer is yes. What the chimney sweeping log does is there's chemicals that when the log is burned, it causes the creosote to loosen and fall. That creosote is still in your flue. So you still do need to have a professional come out and sweep your system to get that creosote out. If the chimney has offsets in particular, the chimney sweep log can actually cause your chimney to block. As the creosote falls, it may plug your flue, so it needs to be swept out of there. Now, an important part of the service that a chimney professional provides is to inspect your chimney. That's very important. Chimneys do deteriorate over time, conditions change, and the National Fire Protection Association actually says you should have an annual chimney inspection to make sure that system is still suitable for use. So use a chimney sweeping log if you would like, but it does not replace the need to have a chimney professional come out and inspect and sweep your system.